Well, Einstein's equations give us this compelling picture that we are like insects on a soap bubble, a gigantic soap bubble which is expanding, and we are trapped like flies on flypaper. We can't escape the soap bubble, and that's called the Big Bang Theory. String theory says there should be other bubbles out there in a multiverse of bubbles. When two universes collide, it can form another universe. When a universe splits in half, it can create two universes, and that, we think, is the Big Bang. The Big Bang is caused either by the collision of universes or by the fissioning of universes.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond. Everything looking good for Discovery, 6 minutes, 11 seconds into the flight.
Discovery Houston, single engine Istrus 104.
our technology is so primitive, we look on simply one frequency. Any advanced civilization will send messages across all frequencies in order to compensate for passing stars, passing stellar explosion, and static and interference. That's real science. However, scientists sometimes judge alien technology on the basis of what we can do, not on the basis of what a Type 3 civilization, millions of years more advanced than ours, can do.
The question is, if we start to explore outer space and look for advanced civilizations, why don't they talk to us? Why don't they land here in Saudi Arabia and say, we come in peace? Well, my attitude is, if you walk down a country road and you see an anthill, do you go down to the ants and say, I bring you trinkets, I bring you bees, I give you nuclear energy, take me to your leader? Or maybe you step on a few of them. Maybe we're simply not that interesting. So let me now close on the following note. What lessons can we take from this? First of all, this has theological implications. Giordano Bruno was burned alive 400 years ago in 1600 for saying that there are civilizations in outer space. Because if so, the Catholic Church said, do they have a pope? How many popes are in outer space? 1,000? 1,000,000? 1 billion popes? How many saints are there in outer space? The mind boggles thinking about billions of saints, billions of popes in outer space. Rather than think about billions of popes, they simply burned Giordano Bruno alive. What does it mean for us? What are we? Are we Type 1 that control the power of a planet? Are we Type 2 that control the power of a star? Are we Type 3 that can control galaxies, alter the fabric of space and time? No. We are Type 0.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Buzz Aldrin. 44 years ago, I made a brave decision to journey into space, and it changed my life forever. And now you too can become a member of this privileged group and experience everything that I have. The Lynx Space Academy is looking for regular people like you to go into space. If selected, you'll be sent to our space camp in Florida for rigorous astronaut training. The top recruits will then be rocketed into suborbit in an SXC spacecraft. Are you ready to make history? Then join the Lynx Space Academy and leave a man come back a hero. Good luck, everyone.